Welcome to the Worldwide Steel Buildings Gable track installation video. Gable track is installed at the ends of your roof purlins to tie all the purlins together and to provide a flat surface for wall panels and trims to attach to. This process is the same regardless of whether you have a gable extension or not on your end wall. The track used for the gable track will be identified on your ship list as at gables at ends of purlins, as shown here. You will need to know the pitch of your roof in order to properly cut your gable track at the low eave and at the ridge. The following chart will help you determine the dimensions needed for each pitch before making your cuts. In our example, we are using a 4:12 roof pitch. Referencing the chart, you can see that a 4:12 roof pitch has a dimension of 2 inches. This dimension should be marked along the top of the track as shown here. You can also use a speed square with a built-in 4:12 slope reference as demonstrated here. For this example, we are installing the gable track starting at the ridge. Determine the midpoint of your track and make a mark. This will be the ridge location on your building. Using a speed square, mark a straight line down the face of the track. Next, rotate the square to where the 4:12 slope number lines up at the top leg of the track and draw a diagonal line down the speed square. Along the bottom of the track, measure over an additional 1 to 2 inches from the end of the diagonal mark and draw a line connecting the two. This will be your cut lines for the track. You are now ready to cut the bottom flange and the web of the track. Bend the track to where the second mark meets the cut edge along the bottom of the track. Place the gable track over the ends of the purlins as shown. Attach using 2 number 12 self-drilling pancake head fasteners at each purlin, 1 in the top and 1 in the bottom. Install 1 number 12 self-drilling pancake head fastener where the gable track overlaps itself at the ridge. With the ridge portion of the gable track installed, you are now ready to install the remaining track down to the low eaves. First, measure from the end of the ridge gable track along the top of the purlins to the outer edge of the eave purlin to determine how long the track needs to be. Then, mark the measurement on your track. Using a speed square, set the pivot point at the mark and rotate to the 4:12 slope mark and mark your line. Once marked, cut the track along the lines. Once cut, install your track over the purlins down to the low eave purlin, fastening to the top and bottom of each purlin. Repeat this process on the other side of your building. Once the gable track has been installed, you are ready to install your end wall track. Thanks for choosing Worldwide Steel Buildings. Got questions? Give us a call at 1-800-825-0316 or visit our website at worldwidesteelbuildings.com.